don't hesitate. Just get it.
What happens in Morocco?
It stays in Morocco.
Stays in Morocco. Yun ang pinaka bottom line ng Morocco sa amin.
I don't waste my time. For me, time is important for me.
Just for a disclaimer, walang perfect. Especially on travel. First timers or not, Labaik is still for you. For our last episode together, would you still go back to DIY? And any advice?
DIY? Yeah, but I will also consider a group tour with you.
With us lang?
Yeah, yeah. Kasi gano'n naman ako eh. I'm very loyal with everything. Pag na-try ko na, then I got the satisfaction that I need. Yung comfortable na ako sa'yo, obviously. So, I don't waste my time to explore when it comes to group tour. I don't waste my time. For me, time is important for me. So, okay na ako doon. Yeah.
That's another thing. May ibang mga traveler na pag halimbawa, I'm not just saying na only for us ha. This goes to any other company. And they build already a good relationship with that company. And then, by the way, just for a disclaimer, walang perfect. Especially on traveling. Especially that the agency, we are not on the ground itself. That's why we have the tour leader na sumasama sa grupo, right? But, yun nga, yung may ibang traveler talaga, sa sobrang halimbawa, kahit maganda na yung relationship nila, and may konti lang na
Palyado.
Kalma, may konting naging problem. O yung sa atin sa Turkey, nasiraan tayo.
Yeah, but we never had a problem there.
Nakalimutan mo yun. Nasiraan tayo ng
Wala, chill lang naman tayo.
Oo. Pero yung iba siguro niyan is, made-disappoint na kaagad sila. Pangit yung bus na kinuha nyo, gano'n. Diba? If, for me personally, outside the agency, if you've built already a good relationship with that company, not only with us, yung trust mas importante.
Yeah, just stick with them. I'll stick with you. Ako kasi ganun eh. Ganun talaga. Sa lahat personal, sa life, everything. Pag nakuha ko yung satisfaction, I'll stick to it. I don't like to find another one just because something
mas
happened.
Mura.
Or something. Tas sa huli mapapamura ka. So, hindi ako ganun.
Ang dami ganun. 'Di ba? Very common 'yun na gusto ko naman talaga sa kanila kaso mas mahal kasi sila, mas mura. And the difference is not even much.
And I think dapat hindi sila nagko-compare. Especially kung subok na nila kayo. Ako, hindi ko compare yung service nila or just because of the price. Kung nasubukan mo na yung agency na to, then bakit ka pa mag-explore just because
sa price?
Oo, sa price. Ako, hindi ko kino-consider kasi yung price.
Alam ko kasi you're a businesswoman. So you already know, like, you have your team. Kumbaga, enable for you to function well on your business, you need help.
Yeah.
That's the truth in any kind of company.
Yeah, true yan.
So for example, may mas mura, hindi naman natin sinasabing hindi ka agad maganda yung service. Pero there's always a catch.
Yeah, there's always a catch.
Diba?
Ako kasi, yun nga, yung loyalty, saka yung pag na-trust mo na, pag nakuha mo, nag-gain mo na yung trust to each other. Parang relationship yun eh. I trust you with my itinerary, then you trust me as your client as well, na makikipag-cooperate ako na hindi ako arte.
Exactly.
Especially if it's a group tour. So, safe.
At saka exactly, it's a relationship.
Yeah.
It's a professional relationship. Kasi for us naman, you have trusted us with your upcoming memories.
Yeah.
Diba? Your trip itself, you're spending money and time.
Yeah.
Yung time ang hindi mo mababalik.
Yun ang binabayaran mo eh. The memories, the good experience. Pero kung na-try mo na, go for it. Stick sa company, sa agency, kung saan mo nakuha yun. Yun. I'm not saying, I don't know, with other people. Ako kasi, yun yung perspective ko sa buhay eh. Kung nakuha ko na yung dapat kong makuha, bakit pa ako maghahanap sa iba, di ba? Yeah.
But being a DIY traveler, okay lang. Okay lang mag-DIY ka as long as you know what you're doing.
Ako, I don't plan. Pag nagdi-DIY ako, I hate planning. Kasi the more I plan, hindi lalo nangyayari. Halimbawa, okay, this is my itinerary today. Then the next day, I woke up late. So, nagkagulo-gulo na. So, ako, I hate planning. I even hate like, pupunta ako ng Europe pero hindi ko magagawa. So, pero ako, minsan may topak ako, ibubook ko na lang yung ticket. So, I hate planning talaga. So, hindi ko ino-organize. The only time na ino-organize ko, yung work balance. Na, I can work, and at the same time, I can have work out. Yeah, make sure na kahit nagta-travel ako, I work out. Then at the same time, work out, then touring around. Yon.
Yeah.
So, life, it's all about balance. Yon, na kahit impulsive ako, nandun pa rin yung balance ko sa buhay. Yun yung pinakamaganda doon. Kasi hawak ko naman yung oras ko eh. So, it's just the time zone. Depende kung nasaan lugar ako. Yun.
As a follower din ng page namin, you would see all of our offers na countries, diba? And of course, not all of the countries we have. We don't have that all.
Yeah.
Alam mo yan, if I haven't been there,
kung
hindi ko pwedeng i-offer yan sa tao. So, from the countries that you know na ino-offer namin, ayun yung pinaka masasabi mo na you would really advise the people to try it.
Oh, okay. That's a good question. First of all, Turkey. Kasi after that tour talaga, alam mo na yan, nagpabalik-balik na ako ng Turkey. I love Turkey to everybody. Yung package nila ng Turkey, that's the best seller. And it's and the service, 100%, 100% you will get the satisfaction. Then the Europe also. Europe, don't hesitate. Just get it.
Yeah. Especially for first-timers. Kailangan nilang, para sa akin hindi dahil company kami, pero para sa akin, much better for you with the group. If maselan ka, for example, kasi naka-arrange na lahat, you will get overwhelmed. Meron lang akong gustong itanong sa'yo. Kasi alam ko, mahilig ka din mag-browse for traveling. May mga ibang companies that they are giving, for example, 17 countries, 19 countries in just 10 days.
Oh, don't do that.
In Europe.
I will don't do that, please. Don't you ever do that. Kaya hindi nag-offer si Easy Access na ganun. Kasi para kayong siniksik nyo yung time nyo. Biro mo 16 countries, hindi nyo na mai-enjoy eh. Yung
parang kasing iba gusto nila buffet, di ba?
Yeah. So
hindi
ako,
nila maintindihan yun.
So ako, wag niyong isiksik yung time na yun in 10 days tapos 16 countries. Kasi ako personal advice ko, kasi hindi ako sasali sa group just because I want to go there. You also want to...
Para masabi lang na nakapunta ka.
Yeah. I also want to
experience
that time with other people to gain a friendship at the same time na hindi lang na i-enjoy yung lahat. Kasi pag nandun kayo, hindi na kayo makakapag-usap kung 16 countries then 10 days. Paano mo gagawin yun? I finished 16 countries in 2 months. Anong ginawa nyo in 10 days? Paano nyo nagawa yun? Di ba? So, don't do it.
Nasa bus lang sila.
Yeah, don't do it. Ako, personally, don't do it.
We're not saying it's a scam. Totoo naman, pupunta kayo doon, darating kayo doon, but you wouldn't enjoy.
Yeah, you don't travel just to travel. You travel to enjoy life. Kasi yun yung pleasure nyo sa buhay nyo. You're working so hard to go to those country. And then, paano mo gagawin yun? If you're just rushing.
Alam mo, isa sa na kuha ko talaga. I have one inspiration na rin siya, owner din siya ng agency. They don't sell any kind of cheap packages or any kind of mura promo. Wala silang ganon. Kasi sabi niya, I don't look at travel as promotion. If you want to travel, you're gonna save up and you would want to get the best out of that destination. And for Europe, for us, alam mo naman, maximum 3 countries. Pag pinush pa ako more, talaga ako, kung gustong-gusto mo talaga and mapilit ka, probably ibibigay ko, but I would non-stop tell you na medyo stress to, hectic to. Diba? Kasi may mga ganun na, hindi, sayang naman, nasa Europe
nandun
na kami, malapit na sa
cross-border
Germany
na lang, diba?
Oo. Pero masistress ka, kasi hindi siya ganun kadali.
Hindi siya madali. Kahit sinasabi niyo yung Europe magkakatabi lang, it's not because magkakatabi, kaya niyong puntahan. Yes, kaya niyong puntahan. Pero the question is, ma-enjoy mo ba?
True.
Kasi that's the purpose of travel. That's the purpose also of the travel agency to let you enjoy, to let you experience the luxury of life, the luxury of travel. Hindi dahil you just want to jump in and,
Correct.
'di ba? So yeah,
Alam mo, to inform lang our viewers, we've been together in 2 countries, in Turkey and in Morocco. Sa Turkey, medium size tayo nun. And sa Morocco was just a small group.
Yeah.
So, I would consider it parang naka-private tayo. So, you've actually experienced a group tour with us
Yeah.
and a semi-private, I would
semi-private to,
say.
yeah.
Para sa'yo, which one is better? Yung nag-private tayo or yung nag-group?
Oh, that's a hard question. That's a hard question. I'll say both. I'll say both. I don't want to be biased. I can't answer it.
Ang naalala ko lang talaga sa Morocco, which was giving us kumbaga the advantage of being in a smaller group or
Yeah.
in a private is we were in Marrakesh and we
Yeah.
were supposedly going to Essaouira,
Yeah.
but
We canceled all.
we canceled everything.
You canceled it all.
I canceled everything. Okay, I'm gonna pay for everything
Yeah.
because we loved Marrakesh so
Yeah.
much. We just stayed in Marrakesh.
Yeah. Actually, yung Marrakesh, I don't consider it like a small group kasi I felt like it's just the 2 of us. Doon na buo yung bonding namin. Doon na buo.
Kasi mas nagtagal tayo sa Marrakesh eh.
That was the longest na nagkasama tayo, na pagising namin sa umaga. Ikaw na
Yes.
agad, yung
Hindi
doon na.
mag-breakfast ang isa kung wala ang isa.
So doon na nabuo namin yung sisterhood, the friendship and everything. So Marrakesh is, that's why I cannot say I cannot choose which one, the Turkey or, because even the Turkey nakabuo rin tayo ng friendship eh. That was the root. 'Di ba? Parang pero yung it's always gonna be Morocco special kahit one time lang na pupunta.
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah,
What happens in Morocco
stays in Morocco.
stays in Morocco. Yun ang pinaka bottom line ng Morocco sa amin.
True. Yeah, it's an amazing experience. It was great.
But because na maliit lang tayo, we were able to change the itinerary. Yun yung
Yeah.
sinasabi natin lagi na kapag you're capable of that kind of traveling, na gustong mag-change,
Yeah.
then go with a private.
Okay, sa mga viewers ang hindi nakakaalam sa Easy Access, Noor is the type of person, if it's is a small group, kung kaya niyang ibahin, very small group, I'm talking about small group lang ha, na pag kaya niyang isisingit niya. Pero kung hindi kaya, hindi kaya. Yun yung, you have na kailangan dun sa part na yun makisama kayo, iintindihin nyo rin siya. For example, the Morocco, may mga part na hindi kasama, may mga part na kinatling kami. Pero, she made it easy for the group also, even it's a small group. So, yun nga, yung may na-cancel. So, that's a good thing. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng agency, kahit small group lang yan, hindi, papanindigan ko tong itinerary. No. Si Noor is very flexible. Pag kaya niyang isisingit niya. Kung hindi talaga. Huwag niyo ipilit. Ang taray doon.
Oo.
Yeah.
Alam mo ba, sis, na yung 2 country na puntahan mo with us, we consider this as our premium na group tours. Kasi meron namang budget group tours. So, the premium group tours, these are the Turkey, Morocco, and you've stayed in Dubai, I know, for how many years. Dubai is one of them. Oman is new also, something. You haven't been to Oman,
No.
right? Hindi ka pa nakalabas ng Oman. So, para sa'yo, ano yung pinaka-texture? Because all of these countries are Muslim countries. Ano yung pinaka-texture ng traveling there in that country? Especially that you are with Easy Access.
Respect the culture first.
True.
Respect. That's number one. Number one. Kasi ako, I'm liberated, pananamit. Pero kung you're with certain people, you have to be respectful. Especially, may culture sila na sinusunod. You have to respect also the culture. That's it. If you know how to respect everything, the rest will go with the flow eh.
Coming from a person who really stayed in Dubai.
Yeah, coming
Diba?
from me, right? So, that's all. You have to be respectful. Kahit nasan ka. Kahit anong religion-wise, especially if you're in a Muslim country. Kahit na Dubai is liberated also, but me, I'm not gonna go to that extent level. You know, I will always have that respect when it comes to Muslim country.
Alam mo, totoo. Ngayon ko lang na-realize, parang pumasok lang sa akin, the Turkey tour, we're all Muslims,
Yeah.
except for you. Yung Morocco natin was mixed.
Mix.
May mga non-Muslims.
Yeah.
And mas naging magulo.
Mas naging magulo tayo. Yeah.
Mas naging magulo siya. I'm not generalizing on everything, of course. Pero, yun yung misconception na sinasabi, pag Muslim, very limited.
No.
Ang taas ng boundaries, halimbawa, or sobrang conservative, hindi tayo
The
makakagalaw.
standard.
Diba? But actually, no, based on our experience, parang mas nagulo pa tayo nung...
Oo, magulo kami. Magulo kami. Hindi mo siya mararamdaman na mayroong na may non-Muslim, may Muslim. You will not feel that. Yeah.
Yeah. One of the best countries talaga sa akin is yung dalawang country na puntahan mo with us. And even though sobrang mas traveler ka pa, kahit na siguro sa akin, kasi even though mas madaming napuntahan ko, pero mas matagal ka nag-i-stay sa mga country.
Yeah.
Diba, coming from somebody who's very frequent, you're even traveling na nagde-drive ka alone. I know that in Europe, diba?
That's what's the
You're
longest
still considering us. And it really give me parang inspiration, courage to work harder on the tours, especially kasi doon naman talaga ako under sa tours. So maraming misconception, by the way, just for our viewers na they come directly to me, they contact me directly, and they want to inquire about Umrah. That's okay. That's a different department actually. It's not a far department. It's just my husband, basically just beside me. No. So, ang tours kasi for me is, it's really a passion. And I understand each traveler, especially the people that are well-traveled like yourself. Kasi, kung well-traveled ka, mas nape-pressure kami. Mas nape-pressured ako noon. Of course, she's been to a lot of places already.
Yeah, almost 60.
Yeah. Diba? So, para naman sa company, we just always try to give our best. So, of course, hindi naman lahat would be happy. That's normal. We cannot force anyone. But for Easy Access Travels, for the past 12 years, we're always trying to give you our best for non-Muslims and for Muslims.